vending machine eats your dollar. You give it a little love tap.
That's property damage in Kansas. Which we are not in anymore. It's illegal in Kansas to shake, hit, or damage a vending machine, even if it stole your money.
Technically classified as criminal property damage, so theft is okay, but you can't get your property back.
Nope. Verdict, real. You're better off calling customer service. Which isn't saying much.
Kansas hunting law bans shooting rabbits from motorboats, as it should.
Paddleboats? Still unclear.
Probably about safety and fair chase.
Verdict, real. Be gentle with the bunnies or else Dan will come after you.
Yes.
Kansas didn't legalize liquor by the glass in bars until 1986. Good grief, what? What did they drink their liquor in? Out of the bottles?
It was moonshine, so who knows? Before that, you had to bring your own bottle to drink publicly.
I didn't turn the page. Even now, dry counties and Sunday sales limit still exist.
Historical law still shaping local ordinances.
Kansas, treat your snacks and your rabbits with respect and bring your own drinking glass.
Sure. Kentucky's next. Dueling, dyed chicks, and old-timey oaths.